Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Second is Weber per meter square, means whatever we got here, just meter square again. M1, L2, T minus 2, A minus 1. Meter square will become L2. So it will become M1, L0, T minus 2, A minus 1. I think you followed B also.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Copy B. It is also not matching. So we have to check third one also. Just copy B. Done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Next is Henry. See, Henry denoted by H is unit of inductance denoted by L, which we were telling it has got unit as ohm second. So Henry is equivalent to ohm second. Hello? Henry
Yes.
is also equivalent to what? Ohm second. Now tell me, ohm is V upon I, that is resistance. Second is time. So many times we are doing this. Work upon charge into I into T. Charge is IT into I into T. TT cancel. Work is M1 L2 T minus 2. M1 L2 T minus 2. This is A2. So we get M1 L2 T minus 2 A minus 2. Is it matching?
Yes, sir.
So this is my answer. C. See, total 212 sums are there. I will send you today's solution till 50. After whatever I complete, left out till 50, I will send you. You have to revise that. Any doubt, ask in the next class.
Okay, sir.
Because otherwise, each sum, if I start doing the class, it will take 10 days. Monday, I have to begin with new chapter. When are your results going to come? Any date they have told?
No, sir.
So
Not
my
yet.
already came.
No, but state board, they have sent that. They,
No, sir.
ISC also they have not sent, na, so far.
No, sir.
Okay. That means the school will not start before September.
School means
College. School means college.
oh, sir, but they told about the admissions.
Acha, when they are starting?
Sir, they did not told about when they
Sir,
are
actually,
starting, but
they said like, you just pay the fees and like, you can book the seat and then online, they may online registration by themselves by that
But
person
see,
who is there.
that too they are taking unofficially now. Unless until you register online, official admission is not confirmed. Unofficial, they have given you admission, but college will not start unless until your result comes and you enroll online also, and then after 10 days they will start. So I don't foresee before September they will start. Maybe September first week they may start, or
But
August third week.
sir, ISC and CBSC have started
No,
11th.
no, no. I'm talking about state board.
Yeah,
State
yes.
board, state board. ICSE and CBSE, they are on time. Na? They follow curriculum properly. Because most of their students are, of those who are in 10th, they take from that. Outsider, hardly they come. Completed 20th.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. But you are not bothered for college. You are bothered for classes. Regularly you have to study. In college, they will complete this chapter in just 2 days. And we are taking nearly month. P is alpha upon beta e raised to minus k minus alpha z upon k theta. Alpha z upon k theta. P is pressure, z is distance, k is Boltzmann constant, theta is the temperature. Then dimensional formula of beta will be. Trisha, you help me. What is E ka power always?
So to
This E ka power always what? They have dimension or they don't have dimension?
the dimensionless.
So alpha z upon k theta is dimensionless. So alpha will be k theta upon z. Gaurav, you follow till this?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, dear. Now, this is dimensionless. Okay. Shruti, can you hear me?
Yes.
If this is dimensionless, but P is having dimension, then this will be same as this or not?
Yes.
Like if I say C
Yes.
is A into B and B is nothing, then A is C, na?
Yes.
So alpha upon beta is P. So alpha is P. No, we want beta, na? So beta will be P upon alpha. So P upon alpha means this will be reciprocal. Z upon k theta. Understood this formula till this first?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
just
sir.
copy, then I will substitute dimensions of this. Copy till this. We got beta as Pz, not pizza, it is Pz, k theta. P is pressure, Z is distance, K is Boltzmann constant, theta is temperature. By mistake, don't consider angle. It is temperature. Beta is Pz upon k theta. So dimension of beta will be pressure, which is M1. Pressure means force upon area.
Yes.
Are you remembering its dimension? Am I correct? I kept in my mind force divided with L raised to 2. So M1 L1 T minus 2 upon L2 will be M1 L minus T minus 2. Okay?
Yes.
देखो नहीं जमता है ना तो रफ में पहले सॉल्व कर लेना. Shall I explain how I got pressure?
No, sir. Understood.
No, no. Z is distance, so L1. K unit, in note I am writing. Suppose we don't know. It is joule upon Kelvin. K ka unit. Into theta is Kelvin. So Kelvin, Kelvin cancel. Only left out will be joule. So dimension of joule, so you know, I think. Joule is energy. So we get this as M1 L0 T minus 2 M1 L2 T minus 2. That means M0 L minus 2. This will get cancelled. T0. Check. Option is there. M0 L2 T L. I got 2. They have. My answer is not matching. 1 minute wait. M1 L2 T minus 2 is Joule upon Kelvin. P is pressure, M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. So there is some mistake here. It should be put minus 2. Option B. L2 goes up, L minus 2. Option A, M0 L minus 2 it should be, not plus 2.
Then, sir.
Okay. Next one. Some number 20 we did, na, this one?
21st.
No, sir.
Okay. 22. EMLG denote energy, mass, angular momentum, and gravitational constant. Oh, so many things. Baap re baap. Find respectively then E, L square upon m raised to 5 g raised to 2. E is energy, m is mass, L is angular momentum, G is gravitational constant. What is dimension of these? So one by one I am finding all the dimension, then I will combine. What is energy ka dimension? Is it M1 L2 T minus 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, this is not length. Don't mix, huh? They are telling it is angular momentum. Have I explained you angular momentum dimension? I
Yes.
told angular momentum is nothing but R into linear momentum, na? That is mass into velocity. So R is L1, mass is M1, velocity is meter per second. That means it is M1 L2 T minus 1. M1 L2 T minus 1. Mass is simple, M raised to 5. So this will become L raised to 5. Mass L raised to 5. Okay. G का निकाल लेते हैं. G का याद है? What is G का dimension? Anybody is remembering G?
Sir, M minus 1, L3, C minus
Correct. Correct. Perfectly right. F comes in G M1 M2 upon R square in gravitational formula. So from this G is F R square upon M1 M2. So this will become M1 L1 T minus 2 L2 upon M2. So M1 L3 T minus 2 is dimension of G. Now combining all, we got E dimension, angular momentum dimension, mass G.
Sir,
Combining
it will be m minus 1. No?
M minus 1. Yes, absolutely right. E is M1 L2 T minus 2. And this angular momentum का square. M1 L2 T minus 1 उसका square. Mass is capital M raised to 5. G is M minus 1 L3 T minus 2 raised to 2. Now, चलो इतना लिखो, जगह नहीं है. Please copy this much. See, this is toughest sum we are doing. M1 L2 T minus 2 into M2 L4 T minus 2 upon M5 into M minus 2 L6 T minus 4. T minus 2, T minus 2, T minus 4 के साथ cancel. M1, M2 is M3. L2, L4 is L6. 5 minus 3 is 2 into L6. So finally M0, L0, T0 बच गया. See, final answer I got M0, L0, T0. This is angle ka dimension, which is dimensionless. So answer is angle. That is option A.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next, 23rd. The dimension of sigma b raised to 4. This was asked in exam 2013 mein. Sigma b raised to 4. Sigma is Stephen's constant, b is Wayne's constant. So just now we got where is sigma coming from. Sigma comes from q by t a sigma t raised to 4, this formula. And its unit becomes from here joules per second meter square Kelvin raised to 4. If you are remembering, same we did earlier. Now this B, Wayne's displacement, comes from where? Wavelength lambda, you are going to study again in radiation chapter, is proportional to absolute temperature. So equals to B upon T. This law is called Wayne's displacement law. B is called Wayne's displacement constant. It is lambda into T. So SI unit of B is meter Kelvin. So sigma T raised to 4 will be joule upon second meter square Kelvin raised to 4 into meter Kelvin. Now see what I can cancel. 1 meter I can cancel. 1 Kelvin I can cancel. So joule is M1 L2 T minus 2. Second is T1. M is meter L1. K raised to 3 is Kelvin raised to 3. M1 L minus 1 T minus 3
Sir, it will remain L1 only.
L plus 1. K M1 2 minus 1 is 1 L1 T minus 3 and K minus 3. Do we have this option available?
No, sir.
L6 B raised to 4 था ना, एक मिनट ये T raised to 4 नहीं, B raised to 4 है ना. I made error here. See, this is B raised to 4, okay? So sigma B raised to 4 means, again I'm repeating, sigma B raised to 4. So sigma unit joule per second meter square Kelvin raised to 4. This will be meter raised to 4 Kelvin raised to 4. 4 times. So Kelvin raised to 4 will get cancelled. Meter square, okay, चलो बाद में करता हूँ. So this is M1 L2 T minus 2 meter raised to 4 L4. Second is T1 L2 and Kelvin got cancelled. So we get M1 L4 T minus 3. ये है क्या? This is there somewhere?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Option B.
Yes, solve. M1 L4 T minus 3, option B. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Match list 1 with that of 2. This we have already done earlier. Are you remembering?
Yes, sir.
24th we have done. Will you try on your own?
Yes, sir. We can do
Chalo, tell the distance between Earth and star.
light year.
Light year. So first ka, third one. Interatomic distance in solid.
For me,
No, size of nucleus is Fermi.
Angstrom.
It will be
angstrom
Angstrom.
is
Angstrom.
Angstrom.
Angstrom, second one. Size of nucleus Fermi, fourth one. Infrared in micron, first one. Check where we have this 3241. Option B.
B.
25th. Velocity of a wave in water depends upon wavelength. Depend means proportional. Density rho. Density d. Acceleration due to gravity g. And k is dimensionless. Power x, y, z. So v is k lambda d g power x, y, z. This is m0 l1 t minus 1. K dimensionless. Lambda is wavelength. So L raised to x. Density is mass upon volume. M1 L minus 3 raised to y. G is meter per second square raised to z. Therefore, M0 L1 T minus 1 will be M raised to y, L raised to x minus 3y plus z, and T raised to minus 2z. Now, equating power of same basis, we get y equals to 0. X minus 3y plus z is 1. Minus 2z is minus 1. Therefore, 2z is 1. Z is half. X minus 3 into 0 plus half is 1. So x will become 1 minus half, that is half. So we got x half, y 0, z half. Therefore, v will become so v equals to k lambda raised to half, d raised to 0, g raised to half.
therefore, sir, our squaring we will get the option B. B square is
When you
equals to
square,
K lambda
you will
G.
get k lambda g. Therefore, option B.
Done, sir.
Okay. You all have done? 26th homework we have already done. 27th homework, if you are not getting, tell me. 26, 27, have you got the answer? Because you are supposed to do till 30.
Yes, sir.
28th, ये नहीं आएगा, नया टाइप है. L upon Ka dimension we want. Now this comes in where I will tell you heat chapter. Amount of heat traveling per unit time is K. K is called thermal conductivity into A into temperature difference upon L. This is rate of flow of heat. This L upon K, this is like current. If you compare with current, this is potential difference ka comparison. So by Ohm's law, Ka by L is like resistance. If I comparing with I means current, is V by R. We get 1 upon R is K by L. So R is L upon Ka. Thus, L upon Ka is also called as thermal resistance. So sometimes they say find thermal resistance means you have to find L upon Ka. Just copy till this, then I am doing everything. Copy this as a note.
That's
Okay. Now L upon K will get the dimension by knowing that Q by T is Ka upon L theta 1 minus theta 2. L goes up upon Ka will be T into theta 1 minus theta 2 upon Q. So T1 temperature difference is K1, Q is heat. Heat means energy. So it is M1 L2 T minus 2 M minus 1 L minus 2 T3 K1. Check. M minus 1 L minus 2 T3 K1, option B. $29. Yes, 28th done.
Yes, sir.
29. Entropy means,
29 is
yeah,
joule
yes.
per Kelvin.
Entropy is Q upon theta. Therefore, it is Joule upon Kelvin. Now, this will come in chemistry. Physics में किधर भी नहीं आएगा ये. Dimension ने पूछ लिया. 30th you all got. We have done already. Exam में भी पूछा था.
Yes, sir. Answer B. L minus.
Yes. 30th का option B. So today we stop here. 31 to 50 का आज मैं आपको रात तक solution भेज दूंगा.
Okay,
And then you have to
Okay,
please
sir.
practice, because I want that you practice more now, so that Sunday ka test mein you get again full mark. Everybody has performed well as per your capacity. You have actually extended your capacity. More you have to extend.